Hi chat, welcome to another stream. How are y'all doing today? It is the 23rd of December of 2024. We are back for yet another stream. We're doing Advent of Code today. We got day 23 to do. Maybe I'll do 24 live, we'll see. If I don't get done soon enough, I might bake cookies on stream later today. It'd be fun. Let me say hi to everyone who's here. Emma was first today. Hello, hello. JJMC was second. How you doing? Strongly Typed is here. Not quite second. Viscount Thanos. Hello, hello. JJMC confirmed not bot. I'm pretty sure JJMC is just a person. Although their first message is almost always the same thing, so hard to say. Marsha's also here. Hello, hello. How you doing? Fixing weird regressions in Black. I don't know if it's gotten better since I contributed to Black, but Black's test suite is really small. I feel like it does not have many tests at all, but not my problem. Not my problem. And that's everybody. How you doing? Yeah, we're on day 23. We did 21 part 2 and 22 yesterday. Although we did 22 first. Oh, this looks like the input from damn, what was that here? This is almost certainly a graph problem, which should be fun. Tweez, hello, hello, how you doing? Like as primer, which makes it very regression resistant. I guess so. It didn't used to have that. It used to just be seat of the pants, yellow, whatever the fuck, go for it. Okay. Yeah, it's a graph problem. Okay. I feel like a lot of people do this with Network X, and I've never learned Network X, and I think that's fine. I think I'll write my own graph algorithms. They copied it from MyPy? Ah, yes. Primer used to have a vulnerability in it. Then I reported and they fixed. He says, I'm learning Python. Welcome to the stream. Strongly Type says, hi, learning Python. I'm Strongly Type. I haven't touched ASC this year. Has it been fun so far? Yeah. There's been a couple kind of tricky ones, but overall pretty straightforward. Each line, same connection between, yeah. They aren't directional. Cool. LAN parties typically involve multiplayer games, so maybe you can locate it by finding groups of connected computers. Start by looking for sets of 3 computers. Okay. 12 such. Only consider sets of 3 computers where at least one starts with a T. Why? How is this connected to these other? How many contain at least one computer with a name that starts with T? So for each computer is connected to the other 2. So that means the sets could be larger, right? And I think the example shows that because these are in theory all connected as well too, right? I guess they're talking about direct connections. And this seems not too bad to just brute force. I thought this was just going to be connectivity, graph connectivity, but I think this is different. And we'll see what we have to do for part 2. Because there's not that many here. So I think we're just going to brute force this, and that shouldn't be too bad. Yeah. Okay. So what do we need to do? We need to find all of the connections. I'm just gonna strongly typed has gifted a sub. Thank you for the gift sub to Tuis. Welcome to the stream, Tuis, and congrats on your subdom. And now you have a fancy badge. So how do I want to store nodes? I could just have a set of 2 tuples and store both directions, which seems not too bad. We need the hello. Welcome back. Good to see you again as well. I think I'll just do that. What is your latest challenge? Well, we're on day 23, part 1. Continuing along. We'll just set all nodes to a set and edges. I guess we can just say nodes and edges. Yeah. For line and S dot split lines. S1, S2 equals line dot split on dash. Nodes dot update S1, S2. Edges dot add S1, S2. I guess we can. Well, 2, S1. So that's the parsing. And then for node in nodes. I guess we have to say N1. We're just gonna hack this shit together, which is fine. We'll do our restriction on this. Well, it's never going to include itself, so I don't even have to bother with that. Hopefully. Hopefully it never includes itself. I guess we can check that here. Oh shit. And not in edges, continue. If N1 and 3 in edges, and N3 and 2 in edges, then total plus equals 1. Okay, is that the right constraint? So like, the first node has to start with a T. It has to connect 1 and 2, and 1 and 3, and 3 and 2. That's correctly. So 3 is also connected to 2, 3 is connected to 1, 2 is connected to 1, and 2 is connected to 3. Yeah, so that's our groups of 3. Yeah, so that's brute force part 1. I don't know what part 2 is going to be, but we'll optimize our approach when we get there, because I know brute force is going to work fine for this. Frosty Klondike, hello, how you doing? Where did the subscription come from? Strongly typed gave it to you. But how you doing, Frosty Klondike? He says, what the hell? Anthony trying to write code on a dactyl menu forum keyword. Is that the oh no, I've used these before. I don't like them. I don't like them. The cup keyboards. I don't like them. Aha, we get 16, of course. Oh, that's because we double count each of these other ones. So we really want a set of frozen sets here, I guess. Or We can do this differently. We can do it like this. So this will prevent duplicates. And 1 and 2 in nodes. Does this say exactly 1 or at least 1? At least. Is not subscriptable. Now I get a different number. Okay. Well, let's why? Seems weird. Yeah, I'm misunderstanding the problem. Do this instead. Well, what the hell? How did we get a different number here then? Like, we should never have double counted something. Oh, yeah, we will. Because these can... Well, let's do it this way, because it's going to be close enough. Or fast enough, probably. I probably could have just done this from the beginning with my original approach. But I don't know, this is a little easy to read. Bump, 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 it's gonna be kind of slow. Hooray. That time frozen sets or sorted tuples? Yeah, I could have done a sorted tuple instead. Frozen sets seemed fine though. All right, on to part 2. Part 2 is gonna be is we're gonna have to refactor because there's no way this is gonna be good enough. Main party will be the largest set of computers that are all connected to each other. Okay. Got it. So, largest completely connected thing, which I think is too tricky to. But this is now stir instead of in. Yeah, it seems like a pretty easy problem for this day. Yeah, so I guess we just find the completely connected things and whatever the biggest one we keep, and we can discard all nodes that we find are completely connected. But I think I want to represent my edges differently. So that I can traverse this graph rather than right now we just know the presence of this. Hey, what's up, Wolfred? How you doing? Good to see you again. I think we are going to use... Actually, I don't even know that I needed set in the first place. We're going to use default dict list. Yeah. Gave them boys in Tennessee a firm ass whipping. Ah, yes, Ohio State won. Indeed, indeed. Collections.default dict from stir to. I think I can just do list stir. Of course, it's going to be too long. That's fine. And so then we actually don't need this separate data structure anymore because we have the keys here. And so we can just say edges s1 dot append s2 and edges s2 dot append s1. Cool. Do I want list here? I think I actually want set. Because that makes checking containment fast. Raytheon says, which keyboard do you use? It looks unique. If you would have said what keyboard, then I would have told you. But welcome to the stream. Hello, hello. While true. Doesn't even have to be a for set. While actually it's different, but you pop from a set. You can. Cool. Now all edges. All edges? No, it should be all nodes. Yes, all nodes dot pop and edges. If len can greater than best equals can't. And then return comma dot join sorted best. Then we just need to implement get chunk. Node stir edges dict stir set stir to set stir. Yeah. While to do, we basically need to pop a node and check that it's connected to everything we've seen so far. No. We need to pop all of its... Oh, but we might greedily pick a path that's... Yeah, because if we had like A and B and C. Maybe we also have D so that it's represented. Say these are connected and these are connected. If we tried this to begin with, then we have problem because we would get a C. That's not the best answer here. So I can't just consider a node by itself. I need to consider every path through the node. I feel like I've done a problem like this before in a previous year, but the what can we replace with what, which, and the regex? We've thought about that before, I think, but I think it produces nonsense. Because then you end up with which this keyboard. And we already have what this keyboard, which sounds a little bit nonsense, but I don't know. Is this a piece of highly specialized diagram drawing? Yes. Yes, it is MS Paint. I mean, I can imagine someone asking that. Yeah, I mean, you're probably right. You're probably right. Okay, so I guess we really have a series of possible graphs that we need to trace. This is what does keyboard? Yeah, there's some absurd things that I can do right now. Because really we could end up with, like, say we're considering A, we really need to be able to consider A, B as a possibility, and A, C as a possibility, and then A, D going out from there. Maybe we can consider all of the nodes at once and just find the biggest set of those. Backwards Nack says, I'm stuck in Vim, send help. Oh no. Oh, but actually, no, this isn't bad, because we know that the most that A could be connected with is all of these nodes. So we just need to and each of the sets down. It seems too easy. Like B will be BAD, we'll have A, which is ABDC, and D, which will be DBAC. Or no, BAD, and anding all of those together? No, that doesn't work. Anding all those together would get AC. We could try every combination of the nodes. Does anyone know how many keywords get bringed a year? Right? Why am I struggling to think about this? This isn't that hard. What am I doing? What am I trying to achieve at the moment? Graph reduction, basically. Maniac, hello, how you doing? Glory to Stanska. Yeah. I actually don't need to do any path traversing. I can really just try each node and add another node at each step, and if it gets it, no, it doesn't seem right. I don't want hints, Viscount Thanos. I'm not gonna read whatever you said there. What if these challenges are possible in PHP? Yeah, they are. They totally are. They're possible in basically anything. You can even write them in you can even write them in like terrible languages like Bash or SQLite or whatever. They already said PHP, yeah. Yeah, like the name of this problem is like largest complete complete craft. And I know I have done this before, but I don't remember how I did it. I mean, there's not that many nodes. We could do combinations. Just try each one. Yeah, I guess we can do it that way. So we have the ones we've gotten and the ones that are possible. 3 edges, then. The current set of things fully connected to this node. Do dot append. Really want to make these frozen sets. It doesn't. We append connected ORD with candidate and possible minus. This is gonna do a lot of extra work, I think. I think we can also prune this. And set stir. So this is where the problem is. I actually want to do this here. Because we actually do have lots of extra work. Do equals frozen set n. This because we're creating it. And now we need to prevent doing duplicates. So scene is a set. That'll do. Does my computer melt though, is the question. It does not. Does it get the right answer? Fuck yeah, let's go, baby. Yeah, that wasn't so bad. I just had to think about it a little bit. That wasn't so bad. This code is dead. Yeah. Yeah, this actually isn't so bad. Basically, the way my algorithm works is I have a set and then a possibility of things that could become part of that connected graph. And then I build them up one at a time. If the edges of that candidate are the same as the current graph, and then add the candidate, remove it from possible, and then reduce the graph down until it's done, and we skip anything that's not seen. I think if I were to comment this out, it either spins for, I think it probably spins forever, or it's really slow. Let's see. Well, it's certainly slower than it was before. But I feel like this has got to be... Actually, I feel like it might actually complete. Hey, what's up, Standard Pointer? Hello, hello. How you doing? Pythonic Pie has resubbed at 49 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. I appreciate your continued support, and I hope you're doing well. Yeah, with that scene set is load bearing, but I feel like this might actually complete. But it's gonna do a lot of duplicate work. Actually, it might not complete. Really no. Your sub notification didn't happen. Oh, you're right, it didn't. That's weird. Well, anyway, thank you for resubscribing, Maniac. See, where's the number here? For 13 months. That's weird, because you weren't, yeah, you definitely weren't sub tier, and then you became sub tier. What the fuck, Twitch? Weird. Anyway, thank you for your continued support as well, Maniac. And grumble at Twitch for scamming you. Yeah, I'm just gonna Control C this. It makes sense that this is Loadberry. Yeah. Seems like kind of a cool little algorithm. I don't know that I've done this before. I know that I have, but I don't remember when or why or what it looked like. Twitch be twitching. Yours isn't Prime. It works. Doesn't work in India. Ah, weird. Oh, Viscount Thanos didn't either. Maybe Twitch is having trouble today. Well, thank you for the resub, Viscount Thanos, at 8 months. Ta-da. Yeah. Okay. Seems not so bad. My part 1 and part 2 are very different, but that's because I just hacked shit together for part 1 because I didn't know what it was going to look like, and then we were good. That's day 23. Yeah. And so this is a bit of a short stream, but I'm going to be baking cookies later today. I promise. Well, I'm not going to promise. I need to get some stuff together first. But we're going to bake some cookies. Some Christmas cookies, although they're going to be not thematic at all. They're just going to be whatever the fuck cookies I make. But look at this. We just have 24 and 25 left. And then we have done the AOC 10 years. I'm excited for the animation that there will surely be when this is done. But okay. Later. But that's gonna wrap us up. Let's see if there's anyone on well, let me do my little spiel first. Go subscribe to my YouTube channel where my videos go up once a week, and the VODs channel where the streams show up. Not on Twitch because of DMCA, so these will be here. Go look at those. And join the Discord. Discord. Yeah, join the Discord. That's where I announce streams. Let's see if we can find somebody. Maybe. None of these are doing admin code. Is this page still fucked? It is. The tags are what's unfucked? So annoying. I don't know why they would do that. And apparently there is an advent of code tag, so maybe we can just do that. Advent of code. Plus mid is doing it in Go. Or we got C#. They do have a camera. Okay. Or not in English. Let's see, do we want to see Go or C#? We're gonna raid plus mid, who's doing advent of code, and hopefully they're chill. I know sometimes we get people that just fucking scream. A short stream today, but I guess the problem was pretty easy. Anyway, I'll see you around hopefully later to bake cookies. But have a good one, chat. Peace. Oh no, it's not in English.